Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our Year 5 Mathematics. So our topic for today, we will still be doing on whole numbers 2. So what is our lesson objective? Our lesson objective is today that we are going to solve order of operation without bracket involving multiplication and division. The other day you did addition and subtraction. Today we'll move on to multiplication. Today we will move on to multiplication and division. So example 1, 20 multiply or times 3 divided by 2. So if we have multiplication and division without bracket, step number 1 is we solve from left to right. So which one are we going to solve first? We are going to solve 20 times 3. Okay, so I will put a bracket here, which means that I need to solve this one first. 20 multiply with 3, and then I will write down the remaining operation, which is divided by 2. So what is 20 times 3? Okay, I will show you the working here. So what is 3 times 0? 3 times 0 is 0. Next, what is 3 times 2? 3 times 2 is 6. So the answer here is 60. I will write here 60 divided by 2. Next, I will solve this remaining operation, 60 divided by 2. I will show the working. So 60 divided by 2. Remember, you have to, when doing division, you have to list out your multiples. So I will list out multiples of 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6 divided by 2. Is there any 6 here? Yes, which is the third multiple. So I will write down minus 6. Here I will write down as 3. Okay, so 6 minus 6 is 0. And then I will bring down here 0. So 0 divided by 2, the answer here is 0. So minus, so I have here no remainder, it will still be 0. So the answer is 30. So this is my final answer. Example 2. 50 divided by 2 multiply with 4. So remember your steps. Step number 1, we have to solve from left to right. So I will solve 50 divided by 2 first. Okay, and then I will multiply by 4. So I will show you the working for 50 divided by 2. Okay, so remember this is division. So I will list out the multiples of 2 here. Okay, so 5 divided by 2. Is there any 5 here? No. So which one am I going to choose? Do I choose 4 or do I choose 6? Yes, I will choose 4. Why? Because we must pick the digit that is less than 5. So 5 minus 4 is 1. Okay, so 4 is the multiple of 2. So I will write down 2 here first. Then I will minus them. So 5 minus 4 is 1. After that, I will bring down here the 0. So I have 10 altogether. So we check the multiples of 2. So 10 divided by 2. Is there any 10 here? Yes, which is the fifth multiple. So I will minus 10. Okay, I will write down digit 5 here. And then minus 10. So I have 0, 0. So my final answer for this question is 25. So 25 times 4. Don't forget you have to multiply with 4 because we haven't solved this one yet. Okay, so 25 times 4. Okay, so I will show you the working. So 25 times 4. You can write down the multiples of 4 if you're not familiar with timetable 4. So I have here 4 times 5. So what is 4 times 5? 4 times 5 is 20. So 0 here, plus 2 at the top. Okay, regrouping. Next, 4 times 2. What is 4 times 2? 4 times 2. Yes, 4 times 2 is 8. So 8 plus 2, what is the answer? 10. So my final answer for this question is 100. So test yourself. You can write down on a piece of paper if you want to, or if you're not sure, you can ask me via WhatsApp. Okay, so this one, question 1, 2 times 9 divided by 6 times 12. I will give you probably about 3 minutes for you to solve this question if you want, or you can pause the video if you don't want to give me the answer right now. Okay, so when you have this question, remember we are doing multiplication and division without bracket, so which means that we are going to solve from left to right. So we're going to solve this 2 times 9 first. So what is 2 times 9? The answer is 18. Then the remaining operation divided by 6 times 10. Next, I will solve 18 divided by 6. So what is 18 divided by 6? The answer is 3. And then multiply with 10. So final operation is 3 times 10, which is 30. So that is your final answer.